Lemon AI tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Lemon AI. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Lemon AI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Lemon AI, it is an AI-powered platform designed to help users build intelligent applications, automate workflows, and create AI agents with minimal coding experience, in which it provides tools that simplify the integration of artificial intelligence into websites, businesses, systems, and even digital products by combining natural language processing, automation, and data handling capabilities in one environment. And Lemon AI is commonly used for developing chatbots, portfolio websites, task automation systems, customer support assistants, and productivity tools. Its user-friendly interface allows developers, students, and businesses to quickly prototype and deploy AI-driven solutions without needing deep expertise in machine learning or back-end engineering. So now to create an account, you can simply click the login button on the top right corner. Then you will automatically be directed in here where you can sign in using your Google account or register in here using your Google or filling out the required information. Now in this option, I'm going to continue using my Google account. By clicking on the button right here, it will automatically show us that we can now start signing in using our Google account. So this is basically what the dashboard looks like of Lemon AI. On the left side panel, we have here different kind of options to navigate, such as My Agent, Library, Store, Explore. And in here, it will show you on the right side panel of it a sample AI agent in which you could also create a report page, for example, infographic. By clicking on it, it will automatically show us the sample prompt that we can use in creating an infographic design. You could also navigate to customize this one depending on your preferences as well. By choosing agent, we have here AI chat, twin chat, and many more. Even image generation and video generation. With also the right kind of update, we have here Nano Banana or Nano Banana Pro. Now aside from that, it will show you in here upon clicking your profile icon below that we have here limits of credits, which is 1000 credits, in which it is used in order to start generating a content using this Lemon AI. For example, I'm going to enter here this kind of prompt, and it will show us in here that I'm going to create a modern responsive portfolio for a shoe brand, and it will show us in here the sample of it. You could also choose to create an image in here depending on your preferences as well. But in here, I'm just going to simply paste the prompt. And after that, I'm going to customize instead of this website. I'm just going to keep this that way. By clicking this icon or button below, it will show us in here that the Lemon AI is now currently generating the image for our portfolio. And you can make the prompt more detailed if you want to or more specific depending on your needs or depending on the kind of result you are expecting in here. A different kind of chat with your agent chat AI twins AI image or video. Moving on, aside from that, while we're waiting for the result of image generation, we could also start navigating in here some other samples that we'd also use as our guide in creating our own. Well, in terms of the pricing plan that they offer, they have here this free plan, the pro plan, and business with the corresponding benefits on each plan and also a price on it. Now going back in here, as you can see, we're currently under my agent option, in which this is designed to create an intelligent AI assistant that can perform tasks automatically based on your instructions and goals, in which these agents can help user manage workflows, generate content, analyze data, automate repetitive process, and even interact with files or applications without constant manual input. And also the purpose of the agent system is to act like a virtual worker that can plan, execute, or even remember and improve tasks over time using AI models. Now aside from that, you can even navigate the store option in here by clicking the store. This one or this option is mainly used to save, organize, and manage AI resources such as agent, workflows, prompt files, and generated outputs in one centralized space. You would also start clicking, for example, this one by clicking review. It will automatically show you all of the details upon creating this kind of project or output in here. It will show you all of this result, such as the history, the sources, or some of the file, and even the result in here. This one is the result, which is an image generated, and also this one, you can see all of the details about it. You can zoom in or zoom out depending on your needs. We have here also some of the notes and other kind of details you're needed as your guide in creating your own project or output in here. Now you could also use all of this or simply copy and paste it directly on your own. Or you can simply click the remix option on the top right corner to start customizing this kind of template. So basically, the purpose of the store is to simply make a collaboration and productivity easier by allowing users to quickly access saved templates, share agents, and even with teams reuse automation setups and manage knowledge resources without creating them every time. Now moving on, aside from this, you could also navigate the Explore option, in which it is mainly used to discover and browse the different AI agents, template workflows, and community created projects available on the platform. So upon clicking any part of this kind of result, it will show us in here the person who already used this, already created this kind of output. It will show us in here the elements used upon creating this kind of output. So basically, the main purpose is to help users find inspiration, reusable tools, and create ready-made AI solutions that can be customized for their own needs. Through the Explore section, users can view popular or trending AI applications such as portfolio websites, automation systems, research agents, coding assistants, and productivity tools. You can start also creating a new agent space by clicking this button, and on this pop-up window, just fill out the required information needed. Now moving on, aside from this, you could also navigate this AI video to let AI create a video by simply entering here a prompt. All you need to do is simply enter here the right prompt in creating a video and choose the right model for you. So now as you can see, upon clicking this one on creating a report or web, it will automatically show us that it is now currently thinking. And as you can see on the left side panel, we have here two kind of result. We have here also first generating image, and this one which is a report or web. So basically, Lemon AI is important because it allows users to quickly develop smart AI-powered web applications without requiring advanced programming skills. And also, Lemon AI simplifies the web development process by combining artificial intelligence, automation, and customizable templates into one platform, making it easier for students, developers, freelancers, and businesses to create a professional website efficiently. So now as you can see, it is now currently creating a different kind of pace, but all we need to do is to wait for it to load, since it might take some time depending also on your internet connection as well. Now aside from this, you can even navigate here the email option, the homepage, settings, and any other kind of option in here under your profile icon. And you also need to remember that after you're now done seeing the result, you can even post it in here under the Explore button or the Store section in order for the other user to see or to make your output or project unpublic. So basically, using Lemon AI is important because it helps users create AI-powered applications, automate the task, and develop websites more efficiently with less coding effort. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Lemon AI. Thank you.